Are you ready to start a voice call on WhatsApp using the PC app? With the latest update, it's easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected. If you haven't installed the app yet, just download it from the WhatsApp website and set it up with your phone number. Once you're all set, it's time to find the account you want to call. You can do this by navigating to your chat list. If you have a specific contact in mind, just scroll until you find their name, or use the search bar at the top to locate them quickly. Now that you've found the person you want to connect with, open the conversation. This is where all your previous chats with this contact are stored, making it easy to catch up before you hop on a call. Just click on their name to open the chat window. Finally, initiate the voice call by clicking on the phone icon situated at the top right corner of the chat window. This icon usually looks like a small green telephone. Once you click it, your call will be placed. Just wait a moment for your friend to pick up, and you'll be chatting in no time. And there you have it. Starting a voice call on WhatsApp through the PC app is as simple as that. With these straightforward steps, you can easily connect with your friends and family. Enjoy your conversations.